So let's talk about you becoming a better 3D artist, and we're starting right now. Becoming successful at what you do, especially 3D, is quite so hard, but all what it comes down to is practice. You practicing the whole time. Though sometimes it might be stressful, but the only thing you really need to spend your time on is to keep practicing every time you have. It's gonna take a lot of trial and error for you becoming successful or better as a 3D artist. But these are just the top tips I'm gonna be sharing with you from experience, which is gonna make you to be a better 3D artist, and that is what I'm doing. After you picking or specializing on the niche you actually want to choose, either you want to go into the architectural model, either you want to go into the car models, either you want to go into text animation, either you want to go into animations generally, either you want to go into virtual reality, either you want to go into anything you want to go as far as you are going on the line of becoming a 3D artist. Well, this advice is going to be working for you as long as you're watching this video to the end. Becoming a better 3D artist in 2022 lies in your hand. It lies in your hand. Everything is with you. You have to make the decision yourself to become a better 3D artist, or towards becoming a better 3D artist. So the number one tip I'm going to share with you is to increase your computer skill. What I'm trying to say is you really need to upgrade, make use of the necessary accessories, make use of the necessary gadgets, like make use of computers with a better graphics card, make use of a computer with all those RGB keyboards and all that things. No, those things does not really matter, but it just boosts the hormones of you grinding so hard. Update your Revit, like upgrade them, upgrade your system, learn about new things, make use of latest gadgets and latest accessories, so that things being shared online, you will be able to participate or take your own part in them and just grind on your own. Make sure you are upgrading your operating system, not to Windows 11, but just make sure you are keeping in line with any of the updates that is going on the internet, as much as you're not lagging behind anybody, so you're on your own doing these things yourself. The second pro tip I'm going to be sharing with you is to make sure you are creative as much as possible. Be willing to brainstorm with people, be willing to drop these ideas in your head down to the table. Being creative is just you getting in touch with your brain and popping up this creativity inside of you to the world, and that is when we can see that you are creative at what you do. So the next thing you really need to do is to increase the level of your creativity. Just think of these things and make them to become reality. That is how you really need to be creative, and it takes a longer time for you to realize what you're creative at doing, which is you practicing the whole day, like practice every single day. Now the top pro tip I'm going to be sharing with you is to encourage teamwork. Work with people, work with those who know things beyond you, work with people who are really good at what they do. That is when you can actually be good at what you do also, because you're moving with those who are good at what you want to be good at. So this tip is just going to be working with you no matter where you are, no matter what you're doing. Work with those who know more than you do and learn from them. That is why it is called teamwork. Like, they give you what they know, you tell them what you think about these things, and that is just you working towards being a successful 3D artist. Now this next tip I'm going to be giving you is much more beyond a tip. You really need to learn how to multitask. Multitasking is just the key to you delivering anything you have in yourself to the world. Whenever you have things doing, make sure you are putting them out with much consistency. Make sure you are doing the necessary things. Even if you have 2 things to do at a time, make sure you are giving time to these things and you are doing them at the right time, at the right moment. That is what multitasking is all about. It's all about you doing different things or multiple things, people relying on you, that you can actually deliver anything, anyhow, anytime, no matter how much it is. And here, I just want to share this bonus tip with you. Do not delete any of your files that you have. Do not delete them, because you will really look back at these things in some years now and you're gonna be like, oh, did I just did these things then? Like, it is so bad. And it is just a way of you tracking your improvement. When you look at the things you've done or you did like years ago and you're trying to compare it with the things you did now, it's just you trying to track your improvements, and that is just it. So I actually received this notification from the algorithm. You know, a lot of you watching the video and you subscribe to the channel and you haven't subscribed, so I want you to make sure you're smashing the subscribe button, and make sure you like this video. If you do, smash the subscribe button. And I go by the name Faiz, and Faiz is just a student like you. I'm also a 3D artist, but I specialize into the architectural models. I make use of Revit, I make use of SketchUp, I make use of AutoCAD, I make use of Lumion, and Blender. So those are the softwares that I make use of. And if you have any question you actually want to ask, make sure you are commenting down on the comment section below, and I'm gonna be seeing you in the next video. But before I go, I really want to thank you if you watched this video till this end, and if you watched this video to the end, I want you to subscribe. So I'm gonna be seeing you in the next video, and that is anytime by next week. So love you all.